Hey guys, welcome to our channel and Tana versus Obsidian. Which note-taking app is better for productivity and personal knowledge management in 2025? Let's break it down first. So the first one is Obsidian. So Obsidian is a powerful markdown based on a local first app. It works offline, stores note as plain text or bidirectional linking, graph view, community plugins also available in this note-taking application. Then highly customizable, but you build your workflow manually. Best for power users who want full control over their PKM setup. Yes, now let's talk about the Tana. So Tana is also a great choice. But it is a newer, cloud-first, and built for structured thinking. So everything on this note-taking application is a node like Roam or Notion. Then super text and live queries make your notes dynamic. AI features and calendar integration feel seamless. Best for users who love structure automation and smart organization out of the box. Now here is the final verdict for you. Choose Obsidian for local first, full control, great for developers and PKM pros. Choose Tana. So Tana is always best for smart default first workflow, ideal for creators and thinkers who want structure without setup. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.